I'm going to put you on the spot. He just came over. He's been sitting here, and I want to introduce Saint. And maybe
He's beautiful.
he is. And he's a good guy. He's very social. And is there anything you can tell us about what's going on in his little noggin? Hmm, I'm
You
going to
want to
keep him right
channel
here.
him?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I
Come on
don't
up.
you the first I think he wants to get down, so let's let him have freedom of body.
Okay.
He doesn't have to be in the screen for me to channel him in. Let me grab my crystals. Hold on.
Okay. Thank you. And this was a little surprise, folks. So
Yeah, yeah, this was not planned, not planned.
and
And you
forgive me.
said,
I didn't mean to spring that on you, but I figured he came over. I used to
yeah.
keep a photo of Suki, our other cat, next to me because apparently she helped me doing shows. And then now he
Mm,
started to come over every time I do a show, and he lays down next to me like he's doing right now. So I figured, okay, the baton's been passed.
yeah.
And
Oh,
I thanked Suki for that because I know, and she's like, you have to deal with him now because he's a very different personality.
okay. And what'd you say his name was?
Saint.
Saint, Saint. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's channel Saint, see what he's up to as a soul. You know that this is now my show, don't you? You know that I will take the spotlight, don't you? You know that I am better looking, don't you?
That's him.
You know, you know that I am all those things, and this is what has drawn you to me. And I believe in you, dear human. I believe in you so much. There's nothing you cannot do, no one you cannot engage with, nothing you cannot manifest, accomplish, as long as you have me by your side. And not to worry, I'm here. I'm here by your side. So you're wondering if I have the ability to read your mind, and I say, yeah, unfortunately I can. Unfortunately I can. I am very present to your thoughts as they come swimming on by. And I would dare say that you may want to rest a little bit more. You may want to relax just a stretch longer. You may want to join me as I am stretched out in sunlight and curled up in warmth and enjoying what it is to be in the body. You should join me more as I am doing these pursuits. No, don't touch me. Don't curl yourself around me. Don't take up my space. Take up yours, but lay next to me, be next to me. Let's rest, let's breathe, let's be together because I have some things I would like to do for you. I have some ways I would like to assist you with releasing, with remembering how to breathe more fully. Yes, I know, you are an expert breather. You know all the things about the breath, all the things about bringing the body into a state of relaxation, but do you? Because I have to let you know that the way I have chosen to live fully in this lifetime with my chosen family, and yes, you are that, is to be so fully in my body that there is no other way to be. I do not have any need for consciousness, awareness, or attention in any other direction. So I invite you to join me in this. This is one of the greatest gifts that I can give you. And yes, this is also why I have been coming closer, 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 because I have noticed that you have a little thread cord of energy that sometimes just waves around. And when I come near and when I lay down and when I support you through a center, through a grounding, that cord gets to go deeper, deeper, deeper into the very center of the earth. That's where it belongs. So I am here as a stabilizer of sorts as well. And anything else you might wonder about is for you to wonder about. Like I say, the mind of a human is a very chaotic place to be. I choose not to stay there, choose not to be there, but I indeed am very aware of how quickly and also how creatively yours works. I'm proud of you, my dear human, so very proud.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. Well, you nailed him because when I meditate, he always comes into the room and he sits with me. And I didn't ask, he just comes over and we do it together. So he's picked up on my
Mhm,
shortness of breath at times. And
mhm.
that's very nice. But what a great personality he has. And thank you so much for that. Thank you, Saint. Thank you for being here.